Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Safari black screen on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to see a video on Safari browser, then it's showing here black screen, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all, what you need to do is just simply open settings first, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to search for Safari. Here it is guys, and from here you have to scroll it down, and firstly you have to clear your history and website data. Tap on clear history and website data, and you have to clear history and website data from here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply close this page from here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down from here, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all setting. And after that, you have to put your passcode, and from here you have to reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data media will be deleted. And after that, check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down from here, and then you have to search for Safari again, and then you have to scroll it down all the way, and then you have to tap on advanced, and then you have to tap on experimental features, and from here you have to scroll it down, and then you have to search for media session API. If this toggle is turned off, you have to turn it on, and then you have to search for GPU process media, and from here you have to turn the toggle on for this. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.